Hello friends, you are watching Being Mathematician. I got so much requests and mails that students got scared to do zero factorization. So I am going to make a video on zero factorization, and I will discuss the types of zero factorization with analytically solved examples. I will explain from definition to conception in this video. So without any further delay, let's get started the video.
To get more interesting videos, subscribe this channel, Being Mathematician, and for notification press bell icon.
Let us assume that an expression x cube plus 2x minus 33. Now we should factorize it by zero factorization method. Actually, zero factorization is a method in which we will try to find a zero or factor of the polynomial by hit and trial method. So let fx is equal to x cube plus 2x minus 33. Fx means function of x. So we know the factor theorem. By factor theorem, if x minus alpha is a factor of fx, then f of alpha is equal to 0. So we should take alpha is 0, 1, minus 1, 2, minus 2, 3, minus 3, and so on. And we should test for which value we get f of alpha is equal to 0. Now, putting alpha equal to 0, 1, minus 1, 2, minus 2 consecutively. So, f of 1 is equal to 1 cube, that means x cube, plus 2 into 1 minus 33. So, which definitely not equal to 0. Now, f of minus 1 is minus 1 whole to the power 3 plus 2 into minus 1 minus 33. So, it is also not equal to 0. Now, f of 2 equal to 2 cube plus 2 into 2 minus 33. This is also not equal to 0. Now, f of minus 2, that is also not equal to 0. And now we should take alpha equal to 3. So f of 3 is equal to minus 3 to the power 3 minus 2 into 3 minus 33. So 27 plus 6 minus 33, that is equal to 0. Therefore, we find that alpha equal to 3 such that f of 3 equal to 0. That means by factor theorem, x minus 3 is a factor of the polynomial fx. Therefore, we write x minus 3 into gx. Gx is a function of x other than fx, so equal to fx, where gx is a quadratic expression. Therefore, gx is equal to fx by x minus 3. So now we divide fx by x minus 3 by synthetic division method. Then we will get gx. So we divide fx, that means x cube plus 2x minus 33 divided by x minus 3, and this is x square. Now x cube minus 3x square, so it will be 3x square plus 2x minus 33. Now we take 3x, so 3x into x minus 3 is 3x square minus 9x, and now 11x minus 33, so obviously it will be 11, so that will be 11x minus 33. So we factorize the expression x cube plus 2x minus 33 successfully, and the answer is x cube plus 2x minus 33 is equal to x minus 3 into this expression. It will be x square plus 3x plus 11. After that, now we factorize a polynomial whose degree is greater than 3. Suppose the expression is 2x to the power 5 minus x minus 6 to 4 5. Same as before, we assume that fx is equal to 2x to the power 5 minus x minus 6 to 4 5. So now we verify with x equal to 0, 1, minus 1, 2, minus 2 by hit and trial method. So f of 0 is not equal to 0, f of 1 is not equal to 0, f of 2 is not equal to 0, f of 3 is not equal to 0, f of minus 3 is not equal to 0, f of 4 is not equal to 0, and now f of 5 is equal to 2 into 5 to the power 5 minus 5 minus 6 to 4 5. So it will be 6 to 5 0 minus 5 minus 6 to 4 5. So it will be 0. So x minus 5. So x minus 5 is a factor of polynomial fx. So now, same as before, we divide x minus divide by x minus 5 to 2x to the power 5 minus x minus 6245. Now first we take 2x to the power 4 and it will be 2x to the power 5 minus 10x to the power 4. Subtraction, now we get 10x to the power 4 minus x minus 6245. Now it is 10x cube, so it will be 10x to the power 4 minus 50x cube. So it will be 50x cube minus x minus 6245. Now 50x cube minus x minus 6245. Now it will be plus 50x square. 50x square into x minus 5 is 50x cube minus 250x square. So subtract it. Now we get 250x square minus x minus 6245. Now we should take plus 250x. So it will be 250x square minus 1250x. Now subtracting, and now we get 1249x minus 6245. So obviously we get we write 1249, and 1249 into x minus 5 is 1249x minus 6245. So we factorize the expression 2x to the power 5 minus x minus 6245 successfully, and we have the factors that t is equal to the factor x minus 5 into the quotient, that is, this quotient is 2x to the power 4 plus 10x cube plus 50x square plus 250x plus 1249, and it will be the answer of the following factorization of 2x to the power 5 minus x minus 6245. Now we factorize a polynomial whose factor is x minus alpha, where alpha is not an integer. This type of zero factorization is very rare. Now we see how is it possible. Let us assume that the expression is 4x cube plus x minus 1. So let fx equal to 4x cube plus x minus 1. So here we put x equal to positive or negative integer, then the polynomial will never give us 0, because 4x cube plus x is much greater than 1. So x into 4x square plus 1 will never gives us 0, where x is any positive or negative integer. So clearly x is not an integer, so we must try x equal to positive or negative fraction to find the factor of fx. So now putting x equal to 1 by 2. So f of 1 by 2 is equal to 4 into 1 by 2 to the power 3 plus 1 by 2 minus 1. So it will be half plus half minus 1. So it must be equal to 0. So 2x minus 1 is a factor of fx. Therefore, to find another factor of fx, we have to divide x cube, 4x cube plus x minus 1 by the x factor 2x minus 1. So it will be 2x square, that is 4x cube minus 2x square, 2x square plus x minus 1. So it will be x. So 2x square minus x. So 2x minus 1. So it must be plus 1. So 2x minus 1. So we find our another factor, that is 2x square plus x plus 1. Now we introduce with an expression which has a factor x minus alpha, where alpha is an irrational number. We can factorize this expression by zero factorization method. So let us assume that the expression is 2x to the power 4 minus 3x square minus 9. So here, if we put x equal to 0, plus minus 1, plus minus 2, and so on, then 2x to the power 4 each is much greater than 3x square. So difference of 2x to the power 4 and 3x square will never equal to 9. So we should take x equal to plus minus root 2 plus minus root 3 and so on. So let fx is equal to 2x to the power 4 minus 3x minus 9. So f of root 2 is equal to 2 into root 2 whole to the power 4 minus 3 into root 2 whole square minus 9. So definitely it is not equal to 0. Now f of minus root 2 is also not equal to 0. Now we test for f of root 3. So it will be 2 into root 3 whole to the power 4 minus 3 into root 3 whole square minus 9. So it will be 18 minus 9 minus 9. So it must be equal to 0. So we got x minus 3, x minus root 3 is a factor of fx. So therefore, we can find the another factor of fx by dividing another factor fx by x minus root 3. So x minus root 3 divide 2x to the power 4 minus 3x square minus 9. So we take 2x cube. So that is 2x to the power 4 minus 2 root 3 x cube. Subtracting this, we get 2 root 3 x cube minus 3x square minus 9. So now plus 2 root 3 x square. So we have 2 root 3 x cube minus 6x square. Now subtracting this, we get 3x square minus 9. So now we take 3x. So 3x square minus 3 root 3x so it will be 3 root 3x minus 9. So obviously we take 3 root 3. So this will be now we have x square plus 3x plus 3 root 3. Finally, we factorize the polynomial by 0 factorization and we get the factors x minus root 3 into 2x cube plus 2 root 3 x square plus 3x plus 3 root 3. Now we factorize this expression again. Now we have 2x square into x plus root 3 plus 3 into x plus root 3. So this is equal to x plus root 3 into 2x square. So the final answer of this expression we get to by factorization of the expression 2x to the power 4 minus 3x square minus 9 is equal to x minus root 3 into x plus root 3 into 2x square plus 3. Now we move to our next section, that is we should see a grouping factorization which containing 0 factorization. So now let's see the example. So the expression is x cube plus 2x square plus x square y minus 4xy plus 15y minus 9x plus 90. So it is a grouping factorization and it contains also a zero factorization term. So now we separate this term and 9x, x from 9x and 60 from 90. So we group x cube minus x plus 60 into, now we adjust the remaining terms, that is 2x square plus x square y minus 4xy plus 15y minus 8x plus 30. So this is the term where we apply zero factorization. So by zero factorization, have the factors x plus 4 into x square plus 15 minus 4x, and from the remaining term we take common y from this term and this term. We get x minus 4x plus 15, and the remaining term, that is 2x square minus 8x plus 30, and now it's common 2. Now we get x square minus 4x plus 15. So clearly this term is common term of each. So now we take common x square minus 4x plus 15, and we get from here, and from here is y, this is y, and 2, so this is 2. So the final answer is x plus y plus 6 into x square minus 4x plus 15. So it is the answer of this factorization, which contains a zero factorization expression.